Without a doubt, we've experienced quite the roller coaster ride in the housing market over the past couple of years. I've been chatting with experts and doing some research to bring you the latest expectations, so if you're thinking about buying or selling in 2024, you want to stay tuned. Before we dig into that, let me introduce myself. If this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Kentucky or even the Tennessee area, subscribe to our channel below. My name's Melissa, and I get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking to make their move to one of the hottest and fastest growing markets in the country, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 10 days or 10 months, shoot us a text, give us a call, or send an email, and we will be glad to schedule time to meet on Zoom and answer all your questions about what it's really like living in Kentucky. Before we go any further, please keep in mind there are a lot of factors that influence the housing market and move interest rates. Things like the strength of the economy, inflations, and job reports which come out throughout the year. So while these are the expected trends, things can change and no one can predict the future. All right, so let's dig in right now. I've been hearing wildly varying comments from people in the industry. Everything from housing prices are going to decline to housing prices will jump by 15%. So if you've been feeling confused, I totally understand. Now, I prefer a more conservative approach, and here are some anticipated trends and developments we can expect to see in the upcoming year from the experts I trust. Many experts are predicting that home prices will continue to rise in 2024 at a slightly slower pace compared to previous years. Now, according to the National Association of Realtors Chief Economist Lawrence Yun, home prices are expected to increase by around 3 to 4% in 2024, a continued trend due to the fact that inventory levels are likely to remain below what we as agents deem a balanced market, but they should be higher than levels were in 2023. And that's good news for both buyers and sellers. Now, what about interest rates? Well, all eyes will remain on mortgage rates as 2022 and 2023 brought us some of the fastest and most aggressive rate hikes we've seen in decades. Well, in more good news, forecasters are predicting in 2024 interest rates will see a slight decline, with a greater likelihood that any sizable decreases would come sometime in the middle of the year. Wonderful. So buyers, while prices might be a bit higher, the lower rate will help absorb the higher cost. And for sellers, that means a larger potential buyer pool for your home. Now, here's my buyer tip. If you're watching this video when it was shot in 2023 in December or early into 2024, you as a buyer have the best chance to secure a home at the lower price now and negotiate concessions while the buyer pool is smaller. Then when the rates do ease, that's your opportunity to refinance and talk to your lender up front. See if they offer any refinance incentives. Now, if you wait until interest rates come down, you will not only be competing at the peak home buying season, but with other buyers who've also been waiting for interest rates to ease, which will limit your negotiation position. So as always, these are predictions and the real estate market continues to remain volatile. I recommend you make the decision that's right for you and at a time that's right for you. If you would like to know what's happening in your local area with pricing, demand, inventory, and any other questions, please reach out to my team and I. We'd be happy to connect with you and connect you to a local realtor in your area. Again, I'm Melissa Albert. Let's make your next move a winning one.